This video will show you how to arm and disarm the security system using the Total Connect app. If you are leaving and no one will be left at home, you will want to arm the security system in the away mode. In the away mode, your home is fully protected with both perimeter sensors and interior motion sensors active. Open the Total Connect app and in the security functions, simply press the Arm Away button. With your security system armed away, it will help protect your home when you're not there. When you return home, press the Disarm button. The security system is now disarmed and you can enter your home without sounding the alarm. If you would like the security system to help protect you when you are staying home, open the Total Connect app. Simply press the Arm Home button and the security system will now be armed. The perimeter protection will be active, while you stay protected and move freely inside your home. Again, you can disarm the system by simply pressing the Disarm button. That's all there is to it. You can conveniently arm and disarm your security system right from the Total Connect app.